Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplying and dividing letters. Being able to multiply and divide pronumerals is a very important topic in algebra. The terms do not have to be like terms to be able to multiply them together. It is important to note that the multiplication sign does not need to be shown. We will demonstrate with the following examples. With division, we can represent the operation by using a division sign, or we can show it in the form of a fraction. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, 3 times 6m, 3 6s are 18, 18m. These are the two terms here, a 3 and a 6m. They are definitely unlike terms, but because the operation is multiplication, we're allowed to multiply them. Number 2, 3a times 2b, 3 2s are 6, 6ab. Number 3, we're multiplying those three terms together. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, k squared, because k times k is k squared, and there's the y. The next one, we're multiplying those four terms together. Let's look at the numbers first, or the leading terms. 5 3s are 15, 15 times 4 is 60, 60 times 2 is 120. M times m is m squared, b times b is b squared. Number 5, multiplying those four together. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 times 6 is 144. W cubed times w to the power of 4 is w to the power of 7. And m squared by m to the 7th is m to the power of 9. 8k divided by 2k, we can write that as 8k over 2k. If we cancel the k's out, 2 into 2 goes once, and 2 into 8 goes 4 times. So because the k's cancel, 8 over 2 gives us 4. 12m to the power of 7 divided by 2m to the power of 4. We rewrite that using the fraction format. We can expand that just to quickly show one particular way of doing this. So m to the power of 7, we've written that there, and m to the power of 4, we've written that there. We can cancel out these 4 m's from the denominator and another 4 m's from the numerator. 2 into 12 goes 6, and we have m times m is m cubed, so it's 6m cubed. Multiplying those three terms together, minus 3 times minus 4 is 12, 12 2s are 24. M times m is m to the power of 3. Multiplying those together, 4 5s are 20, k to the power of 2 by k to the power of 4 is k to the power of 6, and y to the power of 3 by y squared is y to the power of 5. Here we have the term up here in brackets, to the power of 3, that is, it's cubed. We have 9my here. Because 3m squared y cubed is cubed, just write it down 3 times. Let's do the multiplication. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. M squared by m squared by m squared is m to the power of 6. Y to the power of 3 by y to the power of 3 by y to the power of 3 is y to the power of 9, and we have 9my there. 9 into 27 goes 3 times. M to the power of 6 over m is m to the power of 5. And y to the power of 9 over y is y to the power of 8. So this short video has given us an introduction, and we've seen how to multiply and divide algebraic terms together.